Hello, we meet again. Welcome back. Do you remember this Chinese character?
有
Has two meanings in Chinese, to have and to exist. Today, we will learn about the second meaning, to exist.
When the subject of a sentence is a place word or phrase,
有
Means to exist. An object can be added after the word. It's similar to the there is, there are sentence pattern in English. Let's take a look at an example first. After school, you return home and want to find something to eat. Great, there is an apple on the table. There is an apple on the table. How do you say that in Chinese? Remember what we just learned?
say the place phrase first.
Followed by
有
and then add the object at the end. In Chinese, it should be
桌子上有一个苹果。
Isn't that simple? Let's practice. Kevin and Jennifer are going to class. Are they the first ones to reach the classroom? Oh, someone's already in the classroom.
教室里有人。
It seems like they didn't get there first. Let's look at one more example. Kevin is a new employee, so he doesn't know where to buy lunch. A colleague tells him,
公司附近有商店。
there is a shop near the company. Today we have learned 3 sentences.
桌子上有一个苹果。教室里有人。公司附近有商店。
It's not difficult at all, right? Congratulations! You've learned another grammar point. See you next time.